Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today, I will let you hear from a Nigerian educated registered nurse, now living and working in the United States of America, as she shared her experience with the whole process of applying for her registered nurse green card. The U.S.CIS registered nurse green card application process consists of filing the I-140 and I-485 petitions. The I-140 petition can be prepared and filed immediately, while the I-485 petition can only be filed when the priority date is current. See Section 212 or of the Immigration and Nationality Act, providing valid healthcare worker certification and size workers in an affected healthcare occupation must present a valid healthcare worker certification each time they seek admission into the United States, change status, extend status, or adjust status.
Hey buds, my name is Angela. I'm a neuroscience ICU nurse, and here's how I got my green card through nursing. So the first thing you should know is that this process will cost you out of pocket anywhere from $12,000 to $13,000, max $14,000. My initial payment for my lawyer was anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000. I can't quite remember at this point. So that was the retainer for the lawyer who was hired by my company and technically hired by me, but they just put me in contact with this lawyer. So at the same time as I was doing mine, there were two other girls as well who were also going through their process with my company. One was from, where is she from? One is from Hong Kong, and then the other girl is from Haiti, and I'm from Nigeria. That is the initial down payment for the lawyer, and then every other process is an additional cost. So my initial filing fee, I believe, was $1,400, and then there were expedited fees, so fees to expedite the process, and I think each time was $1,000. So one time I expedited the process and I got declined, and so I was thinking to myself, should I expedite again or should I just wait the natural course of things? And I ended up waiting the natural course of things. It ended up working out really well because I didn't have to interview for my green card, so I had no green card interview. This was mostly because of the pandemic and because of COVID, which is like a weird blessing in disguise. So even though it was a really horrible period, it also had its benefits and its perks. The other thing specifically about my process is that my hourly base pay was really bad. I wasn't getting paid what I should be getting for living in a beautiful city such as Chicago. The cost of living was extremely different from when I was living in Kansas. So I really just had to think about the fact that, like, sure, I'm paying more to live, sure, I'm paying more of my total earning to just live, but I'm going to get a green card out of this process, and at the end of the day, it's going to be an invaluable asset that I own. I actually forgot where I was because I got so happy about my food, but yeah, I talked about the payment, so let's talk about the timing and the application process. So I applied later than I should have. My company told me that they would apply for me as soon as I started working, which was not the case. I applied in roughly July of 2019, and I received my green card by October 1st, 2020. So last year. I've had it for like 6 months now. It's a 10-year green card. I'm very excited about that. If you have any questions about this, I will be more than willing to answer, do another video on it. I think basically the fundamentals is going on Indeed.com or going on LinkedIn or going on any job website and searching in the bar sponsorship nursing positions. And basically it will bring up a bunch of companies who are going to pay you, not pay for your green card, but like put their name down for you to do your green card.
In order for a foreign-born registered nurse to obtain a green card, he or she must first, 1. Obtain a college degree in nursing. 2. Get a license abroad as an RN. 3. Pass an English examination. 4. Pass the NCLEX examination. 5. Get a job offer from a U.S. employer. 6. Get an RN license in the state of intended employment. If you find this information informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and donate to this channel. Links are provided in description below.